Placeholders. Let me show you how to write placeholders for your texts. And this is not my idea. This is Casey Bartley. He says, he calls them location tags. They're placeholders. These are for having to go into, instead of having to go into the narrative of the body and manually inputting stuff, you just want to select things. So, okay, I got it. No problem. So we're going to do exactly that. And let me show you how it works. So, um, let's see. I want to make sure you see me on my phone. So I'm just going to do that. So I'm on my phone. Okay. Open up a job. Let's open up um, Friday's job. Go to reports, build, and let's go to plumbing. Haven't written any comments there. So I'm going to go on my phone. See my phone. I'm going to go to the same job. I'll open up the thing and I'm going to go to plumbing. Okay, we haven't written any comments. Let's write a comment. And here it is. The location of the valve, location of the shutoff valve. And that's all there is there, right? So that's not enough information. So let's put a placeholder in there. Okay, so I'm going to put my phone down so I can type. So when you do your technical stuff, don't do it on your phone. It's too small. Do all this logistical stuff on your laptop. So I want to type in the location of the main water shut. Come on, fingers. Shut off valve is located, bracket, location of valve, bracket. So that's a placeholder. And you can create these placeholders in any comment anywhere. And what you can do is you create a list. So location of in the basement, that's a good choice. In the crawl space, that's another good choice. Let's be silly. Let's go on the roof, or undetermined. Okay. And so what you can do is select which one. So I'm going to select for this one. It's on the roof, and let's hit save changes. And that's in my report as on my mobile device as well. You can see I have on the roof selected, and let's see what that looks like in the report. Yeah. So let's go to reports and do a preview. Oh, we could do it here too. So it's going to preview the report. And let's go to plumbing, remember plumbing, and location of the valve, right? And it says the location of the main water valve is located on the roof. So you can, on your phone, on your laptop over here, right? Let me get fancy. So on your laptop over here, create placeholders, and then you save that folder, save that report that you're creating placeholders in, make it an empty report, a fake report, and save it as a template so that you can then, every new job that comes in under that type of service using that template has all these placeholders in place. And then you use your phone to inspect and select the placeholder. And just to make sure that you don't miss placeholders or you selected the wrong thing, we have a little bouncing indicator. It just makes sure that you understand that there's a placeholder here. And it's the same thing on the report itself. We want to make sure that see on my mobile, that you know that there's a placeholder here, and make sure you have selected it correctly. If you type in a placeholder and the list doesn't yet exist, let's say, what would it be? Type of roof. I don't think I did a placeholder for that yet. Okay. Did I do that? Type of roof? Oh, maybe. Let's see. So if the placeholder doesn't have a list yet, if you haven't set up your placeholder list yet, it'll be big and red. You don't want that appearing in your report. You want to fill in the placeholder. How do you fill in the type of roof placeholder? Well, you just type of roof is going to be the placeholder, and you just select. It's empty, right? So you have to type in asphalt shingle. Oh, I can't type. everybody. I can't type anymore. Asphalt shingle. What would be the other one? Tile. Okay. And then you save your changes, and then it's still in brackets so that you can see it. And there's still an indicator just to make sure you have selected the right placeholder item. I hope that all makes sense. Thanks, KC Bartley. That was a good thing. And you just gave that to me. What was it, this morning? And we have it in a couple hours on the software. All right. Later, y'all. Bye.